What's up, TV crew? It's your man Braxton.
This lady's here.
And today we are making some TV crew table view gear.
Baby.
Well, we are making gear.
You said TV crew table view gear.
Because it's going to be table view and then TV crew.
Is it on the back?
I don't know.
Is it TV crew on the back or TV crew on the front? Today we are making t-shirts. So we went to Michael's and we got some letters, some numbers, and then we decided to go. We couldn't agree on a shirt, so this is the only one.
We had to get a color that had both our sizes.
Yeah, so we got these shirts. We went with purple. I wanted to do a neon orange, but he didn't want to.
It's too bright. So we keep this plastic on.
I don't even know. I don't know which part I'm peeling off. Which side?
This is hard. We just need to give it a try and just see what happens, baby.
I'm assuming this comes off, the glitter. This glitter side.
I feel like you weren't supposed to do that.
It told me the clear part.
Because I'm thinking you would peel that off after the shirt, after it's on the shirt.
No, I thought this is the part that needs to, the back part needs to get peeled off. Because we can't burn this baby on here.
So you want it like mine. Feel how mine is.
Yeah, that's what mine's supposed
So
to
then
be
you
like.
would take, not that side, the back side.
Yes, it is, baby.
Because you're going to put it down like that. So you don't want this side. You want the back side of it.
That's what I'm trying to, but this side's not coming off. Oh, that's the chicken. Can you go check, baby?
Ow.
We're cooking dinner. Sorry, y'all.
Oh my God. It looked like nothing even happened.
Baby, can you take it off?
Let me just do it.
I don't know how this is supposed to work.
Because then it tells me to flip it inside out and do it again.
Yeah, this is hard. Shout out to all the people that make their own clothes. Because this is not for us.
Nope, we're going to custom ink next time. I remember when one time with a football team, we went and we traveled, we had to get patches ironed onto our jerseys. Like when we got there, they gave us patches to put on our jerseys. And the team mom did them for the whole team. And the next day she was pissed.
Why?
Because now I see why. If you had to do all of this for 30 kids, I'd be pissed too.
Okay. I'm scared. Watching
What's the table? Oh. You ironed it onto the pillowcase. It's on the pillowcase.
Baby, how do I get it off? See, mine is broken. And we kept saying we can see it going.
That's... Yeah, because you're going to have to... You want this part up. See how mine is like that?
Yeah, I know, baby, but mine's going to be... You're not going to be able to read it backwards.
You want 41?
Or do I have to switch sides? It's still not going to be right.
You want one of my letters?
I like my sparkles. Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to do this?
That's what you're supposed to do, I think, originally. So what you can do is...
Okay. Oh, this is not gonna stay.
Don't keep that stuff. And put this on top of it. What'd you do with the number 1? And try it now.
It's on there.
Good job, Pooh. High five.
Okay, so we're gonna do the table view part. I think we got a hang of it now. It smells like something's burning.
That's what you want to smell.
Are you sure, baby?
That's the smell of a hard-working man.
Oh my gosh.
That looks like it's on there now.
Is this supposed to be wet or burnt? Baby.
It's on there. It's fine. It's on there.
But why is it black?
Because I really...
Y'all,
Gave
his
it
is
the business.
super duper black. Okay.
Hey.
This is a lot of work. Okay, no. But at the places, they be having that little thing, you just push it
Yeah,
down.
but that's quicker. You just put everything you want on that, press it, lift it, it's in there.
Thing burnt my stomach.
Oh yeah, when you were trying to iron clothes while you were wearing them.
Y'all, so I did something stupid.
It wasn't stupid.
Yes, it is, babe.
I mean, I've tried to iron my clothes with them on before.
I tried
If you in a
to.
rush.
I had a crop top on in college and I was going out. So I was like, I don't feel like taking my shirt off. I want to just try to steam my shirt while it's on. That was a bad idea because I got burns on my stomach. How long was it there for? It came off eventually.
Yeah, it was on there for probably like a week.
Yeah.
Maybe a week and a half.
Because it was like these burns. It was weird, but then they came off. It was strange. Never do that again. This steam is hot.
Well, what'd you do? You burn yourself?
Yes.
How? How? Where?
It went
Oh.
What if I spelt it wrong for real?
That's what I was worried about.
This looks backward, don't it? Ooh, that's cool. They have auto clean. Have you ever used that button?
Auto clean?
Yeah.
No, I haven't. And we will be putting these shirts up on our website so you guys can get some of our merch. Ain't that right, Pooh? Make sure you go to www.tvcrew14.com.
Baby, what? He's just making. What if there's really a website like that too?
www.tableview14@aol.com.
Baby, is AOL even popular anymore?
No, that's why we're on it.
If you don't already, go follow us on Instagram
I just need to get that.
at table_view14.
Look, Pooh.
That looks cute. It looks like we could work at like the studios or something. They're like TV crew this way.
Yours is cute.
Thanks. This is so cute. TV crew. I don't know why it looks stained a little bit.
Yeah,
but
mine
I think
looks
it's
like
the
that.
stain,
But I think
the burning.
eventually it'll come out.
I hope so.
You ready to go try them on, baby?
Yep.
All right.
3,
2,
1.
Did it work? Did y'all see that? It's like a genie was up in here.
I'm a genie in a bottle.
What do you think, y'all?
Oh.
How do we look? Have a show on the back.
The table view. I really like yours. That's so cute. And
Yours
then
looks good.
here's mine. You can't even see really my numbers. Oh.
Because it's blended in. Wait, let me see.
It's got
You can see it.
This one's coming off.
You can see it.
I'm gonna have to redo this one.
No.
How's the back look?
You look good.
All right, TV crew.
Don't she look good?
Yeah.
Don't she look good?
I wish I just moved this a
Girl,
little.
you look good.
Thank you, baby. All right, TV crew. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
bye.